Are you looking for a career in IT but you don't know how to code? Well, in this video, I will show you how you can start your career as a QA tester. I will share why QA, how you can be a QA, and every other thing in this video. Make sure to watch the video till end, and I will share step-by-step roadmap for you to become a QA. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want to be a QA and if you want to earn a handsome amount of money every month by testing websites, web applications, and mobile applications. So why QA is the best career in 2025 and onwards? So there is a huge demand of QA engineers right now because every other person is looking to have their own website. Every other person is starting their IT company, services company. So every company or every website owners need their QA support, because we need to make sure that the website or the mobile application is working perfectly for the end users. And here you comes in. As a QA, you will be making sure that how to make sure that a website or a web application or a mobile application is working perfectly for the end users before the client make it live. This is the perfect career if you don't know how to code or if you're not interested in writing the codes. So QA is all about quality assurance. So what is actually a QA testing? QA testing is quality assurance of mobile applications, websites, and web applications. It is a role where as a QA, you will be testing the functionality, usability, UI, UX, and every other aspect of the website or a mobile application just to make sure if everything is working perfectly fine. So there are different roles of a QA engineer. QA engineer can be a manual tester or automation tester, performance tester, security tester. So on my channel, I will go through all of the types of QA, but most importantly, I will give you every single detail about manual QA engineers, and I will test the websites, web applications, and mobile applications live on my videos so you can learn how you can start making some money testing the websites and web applications without having any better knowledge, because I am going to share every single thing with you for free of cost. So as a QA, what skills do you need to be a QA before starting? So there are few things. You should have attention to details. If you have very attention to details, keen eye for websites and web applications, if you have a basic knowledge of what a website is doing, why we need a web application, why we need an app, then you can be a QA. You can test the websites and web applications and mobile applications. What skills do you need to be a QA? So first of all, you should have the critical power thinking and your communication should be better. Of course, you need to communicate to the developers and client that what is not working and what is working. Then you will have the knowledge of some tools like Jira, Selenium, and many other automation tools or manual testing tools. But don't worry about anything right now because I am going to show you everything on my channel. I will explain every tool, every process, every type of testing, and what you can do as a QA to earn a good handsome amount from Fiverr, Upwork, and many other platforms. What is the QA career roadmap? First of all, you will have to learn the manual testing. In manual testing, we will be seeing different types of website testing, web application testing, and mobile application testing. And for all of this, I will be explaining every single detail for website, web application, or any other related thing. So don't worry about things. Just think about if you are good fit for a QA or not. Once you start with manual testing, I will teach you how to do functionality testing, non-functionality testing, usability, UI, UX, and other types of testing. Once you are done with the manual testing, you can start freelancing because there are tons of projects in manual testing. Every website owners need a manual testing expert. After the manual testing, you can start learning the tools like Jira, automation tools like Selenium, Catalan, Playwright, and you can have a bigger opportunity of getting more projects. Once you are done with automation as well, now you are both manual and automation QA. Now you can build a portfolio. You can build a portfolio by using any website. Now you can build a portfolio and then you can apply for full-time jobs. But full-time job is not necessary here. You can start as soon as you are done with the manual testing. You can start selling your QA services on Fiverr, Upwork, and many other platforms. I will show you how you can do website testing and how you can find the clients from these platforms. So follow my channel, subscribe my channel, and I will tell you every single detail and how you can be a good QA. What is the salary of a QA and how is the job opportunities in this area? So an entry level QA is earning somewhere between $45K to $65K in USA. In Pakistan and India, we are earning around $40K to $50K, same as US, because mostly the companies are selling their services to USA. So a QA, junior QA is earning $45K plus, which is a very good, which is around $4K per month, $3K per month. This is for the job opportunities. For entry level QA, you can earn somewhere between $45K to $55K. If you are a good QA, mid-level, or you are automation expert, then you can earn $70K to $80K per year. And if you're a freelancer, then it depends on how many projects you can do per month for earning. So it's all about having more clients, having more projects, then you can earn a lot. So salary and job opportunities, there are tons of jobs, there are tons of projects for QA. If you go to Fiverr, Upwork, you will see one job posted for QA engineers every second. So there is nothing to worry about here. So what is the future of QA engineers? So QA engineer is a job which can never be replaced by AI, because AI tools cannot do the manual testing. AI tools cannot do the usability testing. AI tools cannot do UI, UX, or non-functional testing. And every website, every web application, they need to have the usability testing, manual testing. What a human eye can do, AI can never do this. So QA engineers jobs cannot be replaced by AI. So if you are already watching this video till here, then you are going to be a good QA in few months. Follow me. Subscribe for QA tutorials. I will show step-by-step guide from start to end for a manual tester, and then we will proceed to the other types of QA engineers. Like and share my video if you think this is helpful, and I will be sharing very good knowledge with you related to QA.